Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type microphone symbol in Word. So this is very easy to type. So first you need to click on insert, now click on symbol, now click on more symbols. Now in this screen you need to font select this one and type this character code. Just type character code E1D6, just type it, this character code and click on insert. Now close it. So very easily you can insert or type microphone symbol in Word. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.